Um, it's nice to have you back. So today we'll be going into the decentralized finance, which is an aspect of cryptocurrency. So we'll be looking on how we can swap cryptocurrency, that is how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on the decentralized finance. So when we'll talk about cryptocurrency, there are two broad aspects. The first one is the centralized finance, second decentralized finance. Okay, the difference is that decentralized finance is kind of regulated by the government or an organization, while the decentralized finance is not regulated. Like it's more of a non-regulated aspect. It's more of the non-regulated aspect of cryptocurrency because everything is just decentralized. It's possible for you to access these aspects, to use applications in these categories without even doing any form of registration or anything. All you need is just your trust wallet. Okay, so just your trust wallet here. Click on it. It brings you. Okay, but the only difference is that if you are just downloading a trust wallet, you have to open a wallet. You have to create a wallet, and once you create that wallet, they'll give you a private key. That private key will be your password. It will serve as a password. So whenever you want to log in to your account, it is that private key that you make use of. Okay, so today let's get started with what we have. So for the sake of this example, I'll be using an exchange called Pancake Swap. And Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange that is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, you remember I said we have two Binance coin. One is the Binance Smart Chain. It is built on the BEP20 blockchain. The second is the Binance coin itself. It is built on the BEP2 blockchain. Okay, the only difference between these two is just the blockchain on which they are built. The first one is the Binance Smart Chain. The second one is the Binance blockchain. Okay, so their price is the same respect to each other, but just that they are on different blockchains. So that's why they are not the same. So the first one, which is the Binance Smart Chain here, I don't know if it's the first in the first to be launched by Binance, but I'm just using it as for the place of my wallet. The first one here, which is the Binance Smart Chain, is having a kind of open blockchain where you can launch applications, coins, and whatever on its blockchain. While this Bitcoin chain is not having a public blockchain. The blockchain is kind of private, so it's very rare to see people launching applications or coins on the Binance Bitcoin chain. Okay, so let's get started. If you want to make an exchange from your trust wallet, you don't have to go outside your trust wallet to access the browser. Okay, if you look over here, you will see. Sorry, I'm just trying to draw something, but it's blocking it. Okay, how do I carry this out of here? Okay, scan it. All right. So just these dApps here. That's what I'm trying to point out. So if you look here, you see the dApps, you see the wallet, discover, dApps, settle. So this dApps here is what we are going to use. And if you have been following my lectures, um, you notice that dApps simply means what? Decentralized applications. So these decentralized applications is where you'll be able to access any decentralized application you want to access. So there are a lot of them here, and if you don't find the one you want to access here, you can search with the website on this box. So now, because we want to access the pancake swap, and the pancake swap is easily located here, you can just click on pancake swap. So as we are proceeding, I'll be explaining some key features of the pancake swap. Okay, now for me to use this pancake swap, I don't need to register as in the case of centralized exchanges. This pancake swap is a decentralized exchange, so I don't need to register or do any form of registration, but rather I need to connect my wallet. That's why you see this sign here, connect, right? So that's why it's there. So you have to connect your wallet, number one, and you have to connect it properly. Remember I said pancake swap is built on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so I need to make sure that I am browsing with the aspects of my wallet, which is the Binance Smart Chain. And for me to do that, I have to come here. If you check that side, you will see a symbol there. So if I click on it, you see search network, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, and so on and so forth. What's this message? Okay, so and so on and so forth. There are a lot of blockchains here. So let's say I use the Ethereum blockchain. And you remember that the Pancake Swap is built on what blockchain? The Binance Smart Chain. Let's try to connect our wallet and see if it will work. Trust wallet. Okay. So actually it will work, but if I try to like make an exchange, it will have error. Why? Because the wallet is connected to the Ethereum blockchain instead of the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so to avoid complications, let's just return it to the Binance Smart Chain and proceed with our swapping. Okay, so if you want to swap, maybe you want to use a coin to get another coin. That coin you have is the one you are selling to buy the one you want to get, right? Good. So that coin you have can be either in the native currency. In this case, it will be the Binance Smart Chain coin, right? That's the native currency. And that coin you want to buy can be any other coin on the Binance blockchain. You get. But let's say you want to sell that coin back. So will be that coin you want to sell. Any coin you want to sell will always be at the top. This is the area for selling, while this this is selling, while this is the area for buying. Meaning if you want to sell a token, if you want to sell a coin, the upper box is for the one you want to sell. So the lower one is the one you want to buy. Okay. So now I mean say you can see the balance I have on my Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, this is the balance. So anything I want to buy must not exceed that. So it's a very small amount, but I just want to use it as an example. So today I want to buy a coin. I'll just go and check for a random coin on CoinGecko. So for you to get a coin you want to buy, you should not just say you want to buy any coin. You should have gone for fundamental analysis. So, but I won't be talking about all the processes here, but I will go to a site where you can make proper analysis for your cryptocurrency, and I'll just pick any random coin out of the new cryptocurrencies. So I will just check for any newly launched cryptocurrency that is just launched on the platform, and I'll pick anyone. So let me just pick dollar back. I'll pick dollar back. Remember, this is my Chrome. This is not out of the Trust wallet. So I'm just trying to access this dollar back from my phone. The reason why I'm coming here is so that I can get the contract address. Remember, I told the contract address is like a specific address for each coin on a blockchain. So if you check here on CoinGecko, this is the platform for this dollar back. This box here contains a lot of information. The first one is the contract address. So all you have to do is to copy. Once you copy, you go back to your Trust wallet. Okay, so then you click on the option where you want to sell. Then you paste the Trust wallet. You paste the contract address that you copied from the CoinGecko. Once you paste it, it will bring out that exact coin. Okay, here you see. So now, since this coin is not yet a popular coin, you have to import it. And to give you a risk reminder, then you import. Fine. So if I want to exchange now, if I want to make an exchange, I have to click on the amount of dollar back I want to buy with my BNB. So let's say I want to use 0.0096 BNB. Okay, insufficient BNB. 0.0095. Okay, insufficient. Sorry. 0.00096. Okay, so if you check here, you see slippage tolerance. Slippage tolerance. So this slippage is the difference between the price you actually bought something and the price you intend to buy something and the price you actually got it. So now here I intend to get how many dollar back? 68210 dollar back. So the slippage is just, it will be the difference. So most of the times this slippage is used for transaction, and depending on the coin you want to swap, the developers can make it require that, okay, if you want to swap this coin, you need this particular amount of slippage for the transaction to be processed. Part of the slippage will be used as fees, while the rest might be used for some other reasons. So once I've gotten to this stage, next is to swap. Let's see. I'm not sure it's going to swap because this BNB is very, very small. Confirm swap. Transaction will not succeed due to price movements or fee on transfer. So the transaction fee is higher than the rest of the coin that will be remaining on my wallet. So let me say 95. Don't confirm. Okay. Sometimes when you get messages like this and you know you have enough in your wallet, it can be due to the slippage, right? So you can just think there's a way you can adjust the slippage price. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, you can adjust the slippage. You go to settings here, then you click on it. It brings out slippage tolerance. If you want it to be 0.1%, you click 0. You see it brings out transaction may fail, right? Because when the slippage is small, it might not even be up to the transaction the amount required by the developer. Okay, 0.5, 1.0. So when you are trying to make a transaction and it's not running, it's not processing, you can try to increase the slippage bit by bit. Okay, so now let me try again. Swap. So okay, still the same thing. But actually, if you have enough BNB in your wallet, Once you click swap, it will bring out for you to confirm swap. Then once it's finished loading this, it goes to a next menu. It is that next menu that you use the final confirmation. So from there, you receive the coin into your wallet. It's very user friendly. But let's say you have now held on this coin for a while and you want to sell it back to BNB. All you have to do is to click on this sell place. You click on dollar back, right? Then whatever coin you want to sell it to. If you want to sell it to BNB or BUSD or Cake or whatever. So, but let's use BNB. So all you have to do is you type in the amount of dollar back you want to sell, and here you know I don't have any, so you can just say 100. So whatever amount you want to sell, it will bring out the equivalent. It will bring out the BNB equivalent here. Then you click on confirm swap, but here it's bringing out insufficient back balance. Why? Because I don't have any of the coin on my wallet, so it can't transact. All right, so I hope this is very easy to understand. You can also reach me and ask for any clarifications. If you have anything you don't understand, feel free to drop it on the comment section. Also, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. In a way, it encourages me to do more. All right, thank you.